In this question, there's quite a lot of information to take in, quite wordy here. This is a pie chart I'm sure you're familiar with. Part A asks for the percentage of children who had seen exactly 3 films. Now I'm told the angle here is 45 degrees. So I need to convert this somehow into a percentage of all the children. If we think about our pie chart, if I was to split it exactly into quarters, each quarter here would represent 25% of the data. But I don't want a quarter, I actually want 1/8, because 45 degrees is half of the 90 degrees that each quarter would have as its angle. So I want half of 25%, and 25 divided by 2 is 12.5%. You can also write that as 12.5%. Both of those are acceptable answers. So that's part A. Part B moves on to ask us about the fraction of children who had seen no films. So if we just look at this half of the pie chart, oops, I'm just going to draw that out quickly. We're told that this is 30 degrees. Those children who saw 4 films. And then the children that saw 1 film, that is 45 degrees. And how I'm going to work out this angle here for the children that saw no films is by remembering that angles on a straight line will always add up to 180. So I've got 30 and 45 degrees already given to me. So that gives me 75 degrees in total. I know there's 180 degrees in total when I add all these up, so the difference between them will tell me the angle here. So that is 105 degrees. Now I need to work out 105 as a fraction of the total number of degrees that would be in a full turn. And we need to remember that that would be 360. The question does state that we want our answer in its simplest form. And the way to go about doing this is to see if you can find a common factor of the numerator and the denominator, and then we can simplify that fraction. Well, 1 ends in a 5 and the denominator ends in a 0, so I know top and bottom must be divisible by 5. So I'm going to do that to start off with. 5s into 360 goes 72 times, and 5s into 105 go 21 times. So is this in its simplest form? So I'm just going to look at 21. Now I know 7 is a factor of 21, but 7 isn't a factor of 72. I know 3 is a factor of 21. Is 3 a factor of 72? Well, if you're not sure, if you add these digits together and then that number is in the 3 times table, then the bigger number will also be in the 3 times table. So 7 plus 2 gives me 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So yes, 72 is divisible by 3. 3 goes into 72 24 times. I need to do the same to the numerator, and 3 into 21 is 7. So thinking about now this fraction, which is equivalent to what we started with, 7 has only got 2 factors, 1 in itself, and 7 doesn't go into 24. So this is in its simplest form.